Okay guys, literally while I was on the phone asking where the stuff was, it actually arrived at my neighbour's house, so they signed for it. So it's all finally here, the tyre iron and the rear view mirror. So we're making headway, and they're new parts, which is fantastic. Not second hand, so I won't have to polish them or anything. Look at that, brand new. Alright, so we'll just open it up. It should be the rear view mirror for the Toyota 86 and the tyre iron. Let's get into it. Brand new. Fantastic. Unfortunately, the label was stuck to my dress, which I had to remove. Okay, but that's the part number. Okay, this is for a 2013 Toyota 86, the GTS spec. Now, this should be the frameless model, so let's check it out. Yeah. Awesome. Check that out. Brand new, guys. This might not seem much to you people, but I've been looking forward just to having a frameless model. It just looks like a 1980s retro. I love how the lens kind of reflects in on itself too. Oh, it looks so good. I don't have to clean it or everything. Perfect. Now this is what happened with the last one, as you may remember. This part here just basically delaminated. The glue just melted off and the glass just falls to pieces. This is common in Australia. Again, I'm going to go on about it because of the UV rays. So I can't wait. So let's just go stick all this in right now, yeah? Let's go. Okay, so this is the old one by comparison. You can tell it's completely destroyed. This is the new one. Okay, I've already got the clip on there. If you're going to upgrade, the clip of the base on the actual window needs to be changed for this to fit in if you want to upgrade to one of these. Okay, but I just love that it's so simple, no backup cameras, no nothing. Just like it was back when I was a kid. Fantastic. I love the look of this thing. Let's go put it in before I drop it. Okay, so this is the bracket. You can see it's a tab, so it comes in this way and then you twist it that way. So we can do this one-handed. Okay. I think that's right. Give that a bit of a clamp, but yeah, there we go. It's attached nice and sturdy. Okay. Again, you need your windows tinted and a sunshade so this doesn't get hot and fall apart again. But there we have it. Nice and simple. Just how I like it. Thanks, guys. Okay, this just goes in here like this. It's very simple. Look at that. It's in there. It's in there. It's just good to have a complete, you know. Everything's back together again. I fixed the rust earlier, the other day, as you know, and that's all good. So now the back's done. I might give these a little clean and a polish just to make them all look nice again. Yeah, tyre iron. Rear complete.